What's going on, everybody? Welcome to day 40 on the path to $30,000 a month. If you do not know me, my name is Nick and I'm an entrepreneur, and I want to help people out that are wanting to be entrepreneurs, want to start your own business, then the ups and downs in business. And today, basically, we're just doing customer orders because today I'm going to a festival, which I'm super stoked about. It's actually a 3-day festival, but I'm trying to make these videos a little shorter so people, for our attention span and entertainment as well. But yeah, so right now I'm cutting out some cat decals. This is actually a pretty fun day. So you'll see I got 3 packs in 1 packs, and then I got my stickers and decals that I'm sending out to the customers here. But we actually had a good amount of decals as well, and Mugboat orders like you'll see today, the revenue today. So stay to the end of the video and I will show you the revenue from yesterday. It's a little different than even the day before, so very excited about that. So those are my Mugboat orders, and then we got some decals, some USA decals, some Tesla decals here. Actually, these were fun. First time ever selling a Tesla decal, but yeah, this is basically it. So now that this is basically the end of the video, let's go over yesterday's revenue and see how much money that we made yesterday. All right, so yesterday's revenue on eBay, we made $46.95, so higher than usual. And then yesterday we made $1,442, which is amazing. Very blessed. And so yesterday's total was $1,489, so almost $1,500. So our month's total is $5,946, so almost $6,000, but we need to be at the $10,000 mark to be on that 30K mark. But yesterday was a big lift. I mean, it was a big lift for sure. And so hopefully if we can keep on track with those plus $1,000 plus days, I think it's going to slow down a little bit because there's still more coming in stock and I still have to bring more in, but I'm going to turn it on to fulfill by merchant in the meantime while more is coming in. So maybe I'll be able to keep hitting that $1,000 mark for the rest of the month and maybe hit 30K. So if you aren't subscribed already and you're interested in watching me hit 30K, subscribe down below. I make a video every single day. This is day 40. So tomorrow will be day 41. And yeah, hope to see you there. Happy Friday, everyone. And I will talk to you all tomorrow. Have a great day.